Solution of this question on hyperbola. Question is find the eccentricity coordinates of foci, equation of directrix and length of latus rectum of hyperbola in this form. 16x square minus 9y square plus 32x plus 36y minus 164 equals to 0. So write this equation into standard form. And as we know, standard form of hyperbola be x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals to 1. Write the term of x together like these two, and then the term of y together. In terms of x square, 16 is common, so x square plus 2x, and we have to make it perfect square. So adding and subtracting 1, and similarly in terms of y, minus 9 is common, so we get y square minus 4y, and here we have to add 4 and subtract 4 to make it perfect square. Minus 164 equals to 0 as it is. Now we have 16x plus 1 whole square, and one additional term is minus 16. 1 is included in this whole square and minus 1 will left. So 16 minus 1 means minus 16. Similarly here 9 by minus 2 whole square, and the additional term is minus 9 into minus 4 plus 36 minus 164 equals to 0. 16x plus 1 whole square minus 9 by minus 2 whole square, and minus 16 plus 36, 20, subtract from here, we get 144. On calculating, we get 144. And now dividing this whole equation by 144, we get x plus 1 whole square upon 9 minus y minus 2 whole square upon 16 equals to 1. Equation number 1. And now in the standard equation, instead of x, here is x plus 1, and instead of y, here is y minus 2. So replacing x plus 1 y capital X and y minus 2 y capital Y, we get capital X whole square upon 9 minus capital Y whole square upon 16 equals to 1. This is standard form of hyperbola. And now comparing this equation with this equation, we get a square equals to 9 and b square equals to 16. So eccentricity we by b square equals to a square e square minus 1. This formula is used to find eccentricity. Substituting values of a and b, get 16 equals to 9 e square minus 1, or 16 upon 9 equals to e square minus 1, e square equals to 1 plus 16 upon 9, or 25 upon 9, e equals to 5 upon 3. This is the eccentricity of this hyperbola as well as of this hyperbola. So this is answer. And now second thing is coordinates of foci. Foci of hyperbola 2, because second hyperbola, this hyperbola is in standard form. So foci of this be plus minus ae comma 0, or plus minus a is 3, e is 5 upon 3, or plus minus 5 comma 0. And now we have to find the foci of hyperbola 1. So these coordinates shows abscissa and ordinate of foci. So capital X is equal to plus minus 5 and capital Y equals to 0. Capital X is small x plus 1. So small x plus 1 equals to plus minus 5 and by minus 2 equals to 0. We get x is equal to 4 and minus 6. When we take positive sign, we get x equals to 4, and if we take negative sign, then we get x equals to minus 6. And one value of y is 2. So foci of hyperbola 1 equals to 4 comma 2 and minus 6 comma 2. These are coordinates of foci. Equation of directrix. Equation of directrix, we capital X is equal to plus minus A upon E, and capital X is small x plus 1, plus minus A is 3 upon E is 5 upon 3, or plus minus 9 upon 5, and x small x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 9 upon 5. These are the equations of directrix. And now length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum be 2b square upon A. 2b square is 16 upon A is 3. So 32 upon 3 is the length of latus rectum. So this is solution of this question.